How to buy MAGA coin. Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to buy MAGA coin step by step. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking to support this project, follow along for an easy guide. So what you need to know is, first of all, you need a cryptocurrency and a source of funds and the contract address. So ensure you get the official MAGA coin contract address from their verified website or social media. So first of all, set up your wallet. If you don't already have a wallet, download the MetaMask app or browser extension, create your account, set a strong password, and safely store your recovery phrase. Now, purchase Ethereum or BNB through exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Once purchased, transfer it to your MetaMask wallet through the address. Visit a DEX like Uniswap for Ethereum or PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain. Connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button at the top. Now, copy the MAGA coin contract address from its official source and paste it into the selected token field on the DEX. The coin should appear, so double check the symbol to ensure it's correct. Enter the amount of Ethereum or BNB you want to swap for MAGA coin and review the details, including slippage tolerance, usually set at 1 to 5%. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for the transaction to process. After the transaction is complete, add the MAGA coin into your MetaMask wallet by pasting the contract address under Add Token. Double check the official contract address to avoid scams. Be aware of transaction fees that may apply, and only invest what you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. And that's how you can buy MAGA coin. Thanks for watching.